Do a quick walk around on the 66 Mustang. See the windows are down. They roll up and down really easily. Doors open really nice. Not a problem. Just better look at the sound system in the back. Doors closed like butter. Nice Baer brakes. Date code on the tires are 21, so they're just about 3 years old. Rears are 19, still have a lot of life in them. Black trim pieces is a nice touch. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. You can also use the contact seller button. And if you need a shipping quote, we'd be happy to assist with that as well. Just use the contact seller button. Or if you're interested in selling a car on Bring a Trailer and having 911R represent the car, you can feel free to use the contact seller button. We'd be happy to help you out. Thank you.